all about animals. Hi, kids! I am Dr. Kate, and I am a veterinarian. A veterinarian, or vet for short, is a doctor who cares for the health of animals. Today, I am going to tell you some facts about animals. Animals are living things, just like you and me. They also have basic needs such as food, water, air, and shelter. Like other living things, animals can reproduce or give birth to a young. Young animals are either born alive or hatched from eggs. Animals can also move. How do animals move? Some animals can fly like birds, swim like fishes, slither like snakes, hop like bunnies, crawl like turtles, walk like elephants, and climb like monkeys. Animals have different body parts. They can use their body parts to move. For example, wings are used for flying. Arms are used for grabbing things. Legs are used for walking or running. Fins are used for swimming. And tails are used for keeping balance. Animals also use some of their body parts for eating, drinking, body covering, and protecting themselves from enemies. You can see animals living in different places. There are animals in the mountains, forests, deserts, grasslands, rivers, and oceans. These places provide animals with their needs. Animals are amazing creatures. We need to learn more about animals so that we can get to know them and care for them. Do you have a favorite animal? I hope you had fun learning about animals today. Until next time. Bye.